Programming a transponder key for a 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6 involves synchronizing the key's RFID chip with the car's immobilizer system. The key contains a microchip that communicates with the car's ECU via radio frequency, storing a unique code needed to start the engine. These G6 models use GM's passkey system, variants 3 or VI, requiring the key to be learned by the car. You'll need a blank transponder key. DIY is limited without specialized equipment. Basics involve using a diagnostic tool to enter program mode and following ignition cycles on-off within 10 seconds to add the new key. While true DIY programming is limited without specialized equipment, portable key programmers are becoming more affordable. These devices integrate with mobile apps for real-time guidance. For a 2005-2010 G6, you can program up to 4 keys, but failures may require resetting via the OBD2 port. Aftermarket adapters are bridging the gap for older vehicles. Trends show a rise in DIY key services driven by rising dealership costs. When buying tools, invest in quality to avoid ECU damage. If you fail at programming the key, professional intervention will be needed.